Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to unbox this package that LASFIT sent me. These are fog lights. I know they're already fog lights because they told me they were gonna be fog lights. So come on, let's check what particular fog lights we got here. If you want to purchase some LASFIT products, go to their website or search LASFIT on Amazon. All right, so let's begin. So let's just quickly unbox this. So this will be just a quick overview video. So these are the LASFIT LED Switchback. These are H8, H9, H11, and quick overview here. This is the specs. So we have automotive grade switchback LED flip chip, 9 to 16 volts. Wattage is 60 watts per set. That's gonna be 30 watts per bulb. Lumens, they said it's 6,000 lumens per set, so that's gonna be 3,000 each bulb. Yellow is 6,000 lumens also, and that's gonna be per set 3,000 lumens per bulb. So color temperature is 6,000 K. So the color white, that's 6,000 K. The yellow color part of it is also 3,000 K. So they include it with a 1-year warranty and made in China. So these are the LD Plus model. So let's check. Okay, so let's unbox this. Nice packaging. I like it. So we have the product manual in here. And then, oh, it comes with some decals. Love it. So we got some decals in here. So we got red, white, and black. So we got 3, so we need to check where we're gonna put those. So it comes with the LED controller slash ballast slash CAN bus. So it has a pin design. I hope these are weather sealed, I guess. And it has, this one goes to your, yeah, this one goes to your factory harness, and this one plugs in to your light. So it plugs in like that. Just push it, don't damage it. There you go. So just push it and then just tighten this one up to seal it, basically to make it weather resistant. Okay, so just tie that one in like that, and then we have our LED. Make sure guys, when you're installing this, it is facing this position, not that position, especially if we have that projector type, I'm sorry, halogen type, reflector type. So we have reflector type housing. So don't position it this way, position it this way. Okay, so that we can properly aim our fog lights. Again, these are dual color, as you can see with the chip. There's a yellow and the actual white, the 6,000 K and the 3,000 K color. Good heat sink. They're nice. Build quality, love it. And they have fans, so we don't have to worry about overheating our LED because we have fan in here to help dissipate the heat. The previous LED bulbs that I install is fanless, which I barely turn it on I rarely use my fog lights with that one because I'm kind of like scared on melting my housing on that one. But again, I'll be more comfortable using the fan design because it will help just dissipate the heat. So again, these are LASFIT products. If you want to purchase, just go to their website. I'll put the link in the description below for this particular product, H11. For our RAV4, I'll put the link on the description below also. It's an Amazon affiliate link. You can also visit that. All right, so I'll do another video for the install of this particular lights. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you'll be updated on my new videos. Again, thank you for watching.